Alright, good morning people. It is now 1 p.m., not morning. Okay, so my buddy told me about a tornado. You can see it from me clearly. It's pretty strong. I no longer really have communications with them because the radio really can't communicate with them from this far. So I don't know where they're at, but all I know is that we gotta go to that tornado over there. We got communications back. I'm headed right for the tornado, by the way. It's basically headed right in my direction. Are you there? Okay, I'm going for it anyways. I'll book you anyways. I'm gonna go place a probe where the sky's headed. I'm gonna hope I get a directed. Okay, I'm gonna stand back here and wait for it to come. Actually, it would be faster since it's a slow tornado that I would go in there and then place a probe, and then it will take a lot less longer for me to get more money. Okay. Alright, so we just gotta immediately dip it or else we might die. Okay, I think it's going like basically my right, but it's not going really like to me. Okay, I see. Now we just gotta wait a bit, I think. Place probing. Yeah, by the way, we can't really stay here for long. Yeah, we're gonna get hit a bit. Excuse me, did it just change directions completely? Oh, we're gonna get hit! 41, 45, 46. Wait, is it going to the probe or me, bro? I can't tell. 60, 66. 69, I can see the core of that thing. 78, 4. I'm being pulled. Okay, let me grab my probe, bro. That's crazy, bro. Wait, I see you guys. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Yahoo! Yeah, mate. This can withstand 105, and it's withstanding like 80 right now. I'm being slid, bro. I'm getting slid everywhere. Okay. 80. I'm overtaking this bitch, bro. Fuck off. Yahoo! Okay, my game plan for this is that I wanted to go ahead of it and then place the probe, but it's sort of getting weaker and I don't know what direction it's headed. Where do I cut it off at exactly? It keeps moving everywhere I don't want it to go, and it moves everywhere where I'm not at, bro. Being pulled a bit. Okay, this is crazy. Oh no, we're gonna get directly hit. That thing's fast. Why is it faster now? Yo, is this how I'm gonna die, bro? I'm stuck on the house right now. Wait, direct impact. Yeah, let's go. It's gonna earn me good money, bro. That was around 100. Yeah. Okay, how much wind speed is that? Let me see. It's okay. It's just 115 kilometers per hour, so it's no problem. Okay, we gotta get moving fast. This thing's trying to run away from me. It's like it's being done purposely. Okay, so during that time lapse, they said there was like a really strong tornado tornado. It's right ahead of us, I think. Oh, it's to my right. You see all that fog? That's a tornado itself. Oh, Jesus. This is going to be good. Oh, no. Guys, is this headed to Malacca? Guys? Is this headed to Malacca, bro? Is this headed to Malacca, bro? Oh wait, it is headed for Malacca. Okay, buddy boy, I'm turning around now. Oh, so, what wind speeds did you guys get on this? You got none, matey. This one's big. How would you miss it? You just place one probe and you probably will end up hitting it anyways. It doesn't matter where you put it. Okay. This thing's headed right for me. I mean, it's headed everywhere because it's so big, but, I don't know where to go. I see you guys up ahead. Can I hop in? Yeah, but like, go my Melissa, like I said for me, bro. Like, you cannot deny me, though. Like, come here, me, brother. I never tell you. Hey, tell it for me. Okay, guys, it's right there. Okay, guys, I think we put the probe and then we dip it. Yo, guys, it's really fast. It's in it. Get out the way, bozo. Get out. Bro, you're like a slow granny. You want to get me killed. 70. Oh, ah! Hey, he's grabbing me. He's grabbing me. Woo! Book it. Book it. Oh, wait, it's 100. If it gets to 105, I'm gone.
Okay, then go.
I'm slipping. It's exceeding the limit. Oh my god, I'm aura farming right now. I'm not dying. Oh! But he refused. He refused. Yo, help! I am the dog. I am the boss in the video. I escaped that, bro. How do I do that? Loki, I need more money though. I'm kind of broke, you know. I'm like really broke. Not like it's $16,000 in my bank account right now. Okay. Hey, oh, buddy. Yeah, we cook number now. 152 is crazy, bro. That's gonna give me a lot of money. Okay, I'm gonna watch out for those vortex seats. I'm gonna go, hey! Stay back, buddy boy. Buster boy. Oh, that's a tornado!
Tornado emergency for East Limestone and Northwest Madison County. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Madison County and north central Alabama, northeastern Limestone County and north central Alabama until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
What are you doing?
At 5:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado near Athens. Doppler radar shows the tornado moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for East Limestone and Northwest Madison County. This includes Athens, Bethel, Harvest, and Tony. Take cover now. Locations impacted include